Yeah. That sounds good.
But I can pay you for it.
Mm-hmm.
My dad owns a dealership.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then I want you to take that hot chicken noodle soup that you just made and pour it all over my feet. Yep, freaky stuff. I know.
If I pour the soup all over your feet and it's so hot, won't it burn your feet?
What are you, some kind of hooker HMO? Just get over here and pour soup on my feet.
Okay, but it's gonna cost you. Oh God, I can't believe I'm doing this. Double what it was last time with the zebra cakes.
Alpha Team, this is Bravo. The Hungry Harlot has left the nest. Roger. Bravo Team is in pursuit.
Ah, there's my dirty little chef.
Hey, can I put my name and picture over there?